Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a layer transparent in the Pixlr app. It is a very simple process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Pixlr app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. After choosing the photo, here you can find the option of tools. Now select it. Then tap on to double exposure button right here. Now tap on to add original right here. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Just like this. Now to make the layer transparent, use one of these effects that you can add to your photo just right here. Now tap onto one and you can see the image is now transparent. Now you can also edit the side just like this. Now just tap onto one and make it transparent. And that's it. This is how you can make a layer transparent in the Pixlr app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.